Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of workwear and tackling a common issue: fit problems. This beginner's guide will walk you through how to repair common fit issues so your workwear feels and looks great. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the most common fit problems. One of the most frequent issues is a too long hem. This can cause you to trip or damage your pants. Another issue is a too tight waist, which can restrict movement and be uncomfortable. Conversely, a too loose waist can cause your pants to fall down. Too long sleeves on a jacket or shirt can get in the way, while too tight sleeves can be constricting. Finally, the shoulder fit is crucial. Too narrow can be restrictive, and too wide can make you look sloppy. Now, let's look at how to fix these issues. For a too long hem, the simplest fix is to hem the pants. Measure the desired length, mark it, and then fold and sew the hem. You can use a sewing machine or sew it by hand, depending on your skill level and available time. When adjusting the waist, you might need to take in or let out the seams. This involves carefully opening the seams, adjusting the fabric, and resewing. If the waist is too tight, consider adding a fabric panel or replacing the button with an adjustable elastic. For sleeves, hemming is the solution. For too long sleeves, measure the desired length, fold and sew. If the sleeves are too tight, you can let out the seams or add gussets for extra room. Now, shoulder fit can be a bit trickier. Adjusting the shoulders often requires professional tailoring. However, for minor issues, you can try adjusting the shoulder seams. If it's a bit wide, you can take in the seams. If it's too narrow, you might be able to let out the seams. But there's only so much you can do. When repairing your workwear, there are some essential tools you'll need. You'll need a good quality sewing machine or a needle and thread. Seam rippers are crucial for undoing seams without damaging the fabric. Measuring tapes and rulers are a must for accurate measurements. Fabric scissors and pins help with cutting and holding fabric in place. Finally, tailor's chalk or a fabric marker will help you mark your adjustments. Here are some final tips. Always pre-wash your fabric to prevent shrinkage after alterations. Measure twice, cut once to avoid mistakes. Use a stitch that matches the original seam for durability. And don't be afraid to practice. The more you work on these repairs, the better you'll become. So, there you have it. A beginner's guide to fixing common fit issues in workwear. With these tips and a little practice, you can ensure your workwear fits perfectly and lasts longer. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing.